I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using the Organizer account. This is the only way Apple lets you share Apple Music. Open Settings and tap your name, then set up Family Sharing. You add a payment method now because purchases and subscriptions use it. Tap Add Member, choose Invite via iMessage or enter Apple ID, and send the invite. Once done, ask members to accept on their device. Make sure they use the Apple ID you invited so Apple Music recognizes their access. Once members are in your family sharing group, enable Apple Music on the Organizer account by subscribing to the family plan. This is the single subscription that unlocks access. Each family member must open the Music app and accept family subscription prompts, and sign in with the invited Apple ID. Make sure iCloud Music Library, Sync Library, is set the way each person prefers to avoid merging libraries. This preserves personal playlists and downloads while sharing the subscription. To finish, verify everyone appears in Settings under your name, right arrow Family Sharing, and that each has accepted the invite and enabled music. Check that the Music app shows Apple Music features like Listen Now and library downloads. If something fails, sign out and back into the Apple ID, toggle Sync Library, and restart the device. This often resolves account or library sync issues. If invites still fail, resend or remove, and re-add the member after waiting a short time to clear cached states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.